Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader, techtrader.com. It's June 15th, Thursday. As we do every Thursday, the swing trade review. There's quite a few of them, so let's go over them. Starting with ALDX, which had a spectacular day today. Broke out last week, pulled back. Today it spiked, I believe, in earnings by what, 1260 before backing way off the 1089, up only 43 cents or 4% at the close right there. So not the best close, and we'll watch support now about the 10-10 a quarter zone. Resistance certainly 12.5. Potential targets 14.5 3/4. Up next is AMAM, continuing to consolidate after popping out. This needs to get through 15.25. Target then would be 20 and 25. APLD popped out, put a swing on it. It's consolidating beautifully in the flag. This goes, your next target's at 13.25.5, 15.5, 16. APYX popped, put a swing on it. It's been rising in a beautiful channel. After getting up to 774, it finished back under 7 at 695, only up a nickel today. So a negative reversal day, but still a profitable one. Let's see if it holds support and can extend to the next targets, 8.25 and then 11. Axsm popped, put a swing on it. It's acting very well in here, but going through double top zone, finishing at 84.61 of 370, 4.5%. That's a breakout. Target 95.1078. Carvana, long downtrend, broke out, flag popped, and then exploded, pulled back again. Now it's coming on again. Looks to me like 30, 33 might be targets. GSI popped and broke out today. 3 million shares, not a lot of buying for that stock, but the sending bull coil, when it breaks out, can explode. I wouldn't be shocked to see 13, 14 zone. HAR popped here, pulled back, popped here, pulled back. Still in a coil. I'm a little bit hesitant when I saw it break out without a lot of buying. That's the reason why the stock hasn't worked yet. So it's backed off to reduce and retesting. Keep your stops under 10. I'm looking for 13 and 14.5, 15. ImmunoGen pop, pulled back, coiled. We put a swing on it. It's gone from about 12 to 18.5, 19. 1903 the high today. Target's 21, 24 now. INOD popped out yesterday, pulled back today. Overall, still a beautiful long-term chart. And it might be accelerating at some point in the mid-teens. JOBY, how about this chart? Inverse head and shoulder breakout. We put a swing on it. It wedged, it surged, it extended. It got all the way up to 8. Nearly doubling from where we gave it to you, I believe. I'll have to look at the numbers again, but bottom line is I'm looking for it 10.5 next. KOPN, pop, pullback, pop, wedge. Low volume up here near the apex. If it goes, the next target is 293 and then 3 3/4, 4. LAZR exploded back in March on a major 10-year deal with Mercedes, pulled way back. After basing out and popping out, you can see where difficulty is here at 745. We get to that. The targets are 8.5 and back to 10. LI, one of the two Chinese ETFs we have as a swing, the other being XPEV. You can see this one popped, put a swing on it, flag, broke out, flag, and broke out again. Still looking for more. Target currently is 36 and 40. Lightspeed pop, broke out and pulled back. I like the look of this pullback entry out with a target now of 18, 18.5. LWLG, long downtrend, multiple waves, broke out, ran up to resistance and backed off. Consolidating their support. Need this one to hold 7. The targets are 9, 10.5, and 12. MRVL breaks out of a base, major breakaway gap, now beautiful wedge near the apex. Target 68 and 75. Micron broke out of a base, popped to the first target and backed off to the retest and before bouncing. Targets continue to be 75 and 80. Minerva broke out, wedge, popped, and coiled. Broke out yesterday, backed off today. It still looks like it's about to go. It gets to 8.5. I'm looking for 11 and 14. NTNX popped, put a swing trade on it. It's been coiling ever since. Once he gets through 30 3/4, 33.5, and 38 are targets. NVDA, major breakaway move. We put a swing on it. It popped and coiled and now broke out again, reaching my first target near 2530, and its second target now is going to be, even though I had 455 as the target, I believe 475 is more appropriate. Overstock, base, breakout, retest, and breakout again, and now inside day today, targeting on a squeeze to 26, 27.5. Tap, also breaking out of a base through a triple top, and a pullback and a retest. Today, back up again, engulfing reversal bar 1746 to 1888. Close the dime off the high up 79 cents, 4.4%. I believe the stock extends to 22 3/4 and then 24.5. Plug popped out. We put a swing and backed up, but today reversed again. And if we get to 11 3/4, 12.5, 14 are your targets. PPSI, big run, coil, breakout, little mini coil or pennant, and then a pop yesterday. Today, a bit of a follow through, but closed near unchanged. Nevertheless, 9 and 11 are my targets. Shopify, ready to run. It sure looks like it's ready to explode right out of this consolidation zone. Your next targets are 71 and 78. UIS, this junior, a tech stock with a pop and now a coil. What I really need to see is that coil pops, we get to 462. Your targets are 6 and 8. And finally, XPEV, as I mentioned earlier, also breaking out of a nice base, challenging the high, the spike high at 1310 from December last year. That's your next target. And that's a look at the hot stocks at techtrader.com. Good night, everybody.